Hello guys, hope you are well. If you are finding for image watermarking software, you are in the right place. Now I am sharing a great software for Android. You can easily add watermark to your photos. Image watermarking is very important if you are owner of an website or if you want to add watermark in any of your picture. So at first go to Play Store and search for watermark. See here, add watermark. Search for add watermark. Then you will find add watermark free and add watermark paid. It is about 190 BDT. If you want to use paid version of add watermark, you need to pay 190 BDT. However, we will now use add watermark free. So install this software and open. Here we need to set up. Click here at setting, then text. What text you want to use in your watermark? I wrote xyz. Okay. You can also add images. Okay, so I am using text. After writing your desired text, you need to tick here. Then here you want to make it big or small, you can do here. Here 3 options and you can those. If you want to rotate your text, you can do it. So I don't want to rotate my text. Okay, I make it default. Then original work, how to add images. Okay, click here. Okay, then load image or take image. You can capture any image or load image from your gallery. select any of your image, then adjust your text, then click here, then click here. Okay, and then click here, and your watermark will be set. Now see the picture. My picture without watermark and my picture with watermark. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.